Consider we have some document which contains HTML or XML file and your team is struggling to do formatting. However, they are able to understand what is the code and structure, but formatting, they are trying to do it, but it's taking a lot of time of resources. In that case, UiPath generative AI capabilities help you to fix it quickly. How we can do it, I will show you within this video. If you wanted to learn UiPath generative AI based capabilities, feel free to refer entire playlist. This is the fourth video which I am covering today. So don't skip a single part of the video. Just be here from start to end. And if you found this fruitful, don't forget to share within your circle. If you wanted to learn more about UiPath and other RPA tool, subscribe our channel and feel free to press bell icon. We'll try to just establish the connections and post that. We'll see how reformatting help us. This is detecting and changing the format of string of text which we have in our file. And that's where first we'll establish the connections and we'll drag and drop reformat activities where we'll try to add the input which is available in the file, the entire file. So I tried to come up with some string, HTML data and JSON format. We'll go one by one. I will just copy and paste string value first and add it into the input field. I wanted to format this into different parameters. So we have string, CSV, JSON, XML and all. I will define the input format and try to convert the entire string into XML format. And same thing I will record or save into one variable which is the name reformatted output. Once it is done, I will try to showcase the entire output generated from the previous actions to one message box. So I will repeat again, this is my input and this is the output format I wanted. I will run this code and see the magic. This will give me entire string into XML format, which is the power of UiPath generative AI based capability. You can see entire string is converted into in XML format. Order ID, customer, product, price, status, and order as the root attributes, and under that we have different items listed. So this is the plain and simple method. But what if I wanted to show exactly same thing in log messages? That can be also doable. We have to just add log messages, run the code and it works fine. But this time we'll try to add HTML code. So this is my HTML code. I will just copy and paste into input box or input field, and from there the result will be generated and stored into one variable. Exactly same variable, we'll try to add it there. Make sure there will be a no tag related error present, otherwise we might get some issues. Input format I am changing from XML to HTML, and output I am keeping it YML. Now you can see the entire HTML text is converted into YAML format and printed on message box. When we'll click on OK, same thing, it will be added into log messages, which you can see it here. So this is my log message file, which is generated from HTML to YAML. Next string I'm having in JSON format, where you can see the round bracket represents the array. So when we are working into JSON, deserialization JSON always call into array format. Here I'll paste everything into input box and we'll try to change the input format to JSON and output format I wanted in CSV. Run the code and see the response. Because we have message box, it will first print on message box and then we will see the entire output into log messages as well. If you can see here, the entire JSON is converted into CSV with the help of Reformat generative AI activities available in UiPath. And same thing is also visible into output log messages, which you can clearly see within a fraction of seconds, we are able to get everything generated without any single line of code. We can also generate data table in text, which output we have captured from the previous step. We can just get it converted into comma separated value or custom value where we can define column separator where we'll have this many items available. As of now, you can see in our text or in output, we have comma where we can add comma should get converted into new line. So comma separated value will have different parameter, but when select in custom, it will have in different format generated. After that, if I wanted to store the same value in output, will generate generated data table as a output variable, and exactly same thing will try to add into right range workbook. I wanted to create one Excel, and within this Excel I will print it, and that's where we will have the entire data available for us. And post that, here we'll do some customizations where we'll include add header fields as well. After that, we'll run the code and we'll see the actual magic here where everything we will get it in Excel with the help of UiPath generative AI based capability. As I already mentioned, this output is generated and we can see the Excel will be also available within the same project where you can open and see the actual result. Here name, age, email and city, zip, hobbies, everything is available, which is clearly indicating that within a fraction of seconds we can convert everything in Excel, HTML or into XML format. But worry not, we have a lot of videos coming. If you wanted to learn more about UiPath generative AI based capabilities, feel free to subscribe our channel and hit bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. That's all from this. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to share within your circle. It will help me to reach to broader audience set. That's all. Thank you for watching.